Hi, I'm Sarah, creator of My Felt Story and the Feeling Peg Dolls. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Feeling Peg Dolls to build empathy and emotional regulation in your children. Such a big gift that you can give your children. First, introduce your child to the Peg Dolls. So show them these Peg Dolls without saying a word. Let them have a look and see what they come up with. See what they say. Looking at the faces of these Peg Dolls will stimulate their natural empathy. So after a few minutes you can ask them, how is this Peg Doll feeling? How is this Peg Doll feeling? And how is this Peg Doll feeling? See if your child can figure out how the Peg Dolls are feeling. There is no right or wrong answer. Whatever your child says is correct. Now, when you're done with going through all the Peg Dolls, I recommend you putting the Peg Dolls within reach so your child can take them out when they need it. They can be stored in the bag on a shelf. You can put it into a basket on the shelf. We have different sets of Peg Dolls. All come in different colored bags. Best to put it next to their play area so they can take the Peg Dolls and incorporate it into their play with magnet tiles, blocks, story time, and sensory bins. Watch them talk about their feelings just by having these Peg Dolls around. Now, when your child is having a big feeling, you want to be there to help them feel it by showing them empathy. So if your child comes in crying, you can say, "Oh sweetie, you look so sad. What happened?" And just stay present with your child and let them talk about their pain. Don't try to distract them by making a joke or giving them a treat. It's really important that they can process their pain, feel it, and then the emotion will actually go. It may be helpful when your child is having a big feeling to say, "Would you like to see which Peg Doll you're feeling right now?" And then show them the bin and offer them, "Are you feeling like this right now? Or are you feeling like this right now?" So that they can have their feelings mirrored back to them during the moment can be helpful. It doesn't always, the child may not want to look at the Peg Dolls when they're having a big feeling. They might want to do it during the moment, or they might want to reflect on it afterwards when they've already calmed down. Now, another way to play with the Peg Dolls is through games. Games is a wonderful way to build emotional intelligence with your child. So the first game is just hold the Peg Doll up, guess the feeling. The second game is you make a face and the child has to guess the feeling and match a Peg Doll to your feeling. So I would make a sad face and the child would have to pick up the sad Peg Doll to match my face to the feeling Peg Doll. So this is all building emotional intelligence and recognizing feelings and empathizing with other people's emotions. The third game you could play is by building a scenario, and then they have to guess or decide what feeling would be appropriate in that moment. So for example, you're building a big tower and your baby brother comes and knocks it over. How would you feel? Angry, sad, whatever they say is right. If someone says to you they don't like your picture, how would you feel? The last game is my favorite, which is using the Peg Dolls during story time. So any story that you read, your child can help empathize with the characters in the story. So they can have the Peg Dolls on their lap and pick out a Peg Doll for every emotion that is felt in the story. So there you have it, some wonderful ways to use the Peg Dolls at home to help build the life skill of empathy and help you and your child communicate your feelings better to one another. For more, visit my Instagram at myfeltstory and my website at www.myfeltstory.com, and bye for now.